Welcome to our life in the Philippines. I'm going to take a little ride up to Camachiles, and that's where I have my mechanic, so I'm going to swing by there and see if he's around. It's going to be time to do a little service here. Hopefully we should be able to get out and start driving around a little bit again here, not before long. I'm taking you through barangay Dapdap, and I'm gonna go out through one of the back doors through a different barangay. I just wanted to go up and see if they have taken barriers down here and see if it's open, and at the same time I'm gonna swing by and see if one of my foreigner friends here is home. Haven't met him in 3 months. He lives on the other side of this gate, and just gonna swing by there and check it out. So this is like a little back road. Eventually it will take you out to MacArthur Boulevard, so I call it going through the back door. Let's go down to the right here, and I'm gonna stop by here and see if he's around. All these barangays are pretty much looking the same. Small, narrow street, and my friend here, he actually bought a property down here, so he lives down here, has his own little house. Nice little one. Down here to the right you have the community basketball court and all kinds of stuff. So, all right, we're almost there. All right, so let's continue the trip up towards Camachiles. Let's go. See if my mechanic is around and figure out what he can do for me. Actually, this guy I recommend if you do ride bike and motorcycle and need a good mechanic. This is actually the guy to go to. He has worked independently for quite a while. He was a dealer mechanic for a long period of time, but decided to go on his own, and I understand why. He can probably make double or triple or quadruple his pay during a day if he is fully booked, and he has been pretty booked actually. So all right, let's go down here. I'm just joyriding a little bit, swinging around in the barangay here. Everything seems to come back to normal. People are coming out, bikes are out. I see a lot more jeepneys running, and you'll probably see that once we get up on MacArthur. It's a sunny day though. The sun is about to go down, so if the sun gets in the camera, I apologize. I was going to do a walking blog today. I changed my mind when I came out, and the sun just blasted my face, and the heat is absolutely crazy. Let's try to go up here. I haven't been up there this road before, but I think it should take us up to MacArthur. But most of these communities, they look a lot alike. You have tandem apartments, a mix of private housing, private houses, apartments. There is like no restrictions on what you can build. It appears to me in these areas. A lot of people have their own home, like you see to the left here, and then you see apartment complexes right next door to it. So, all right, here we are getting up on MacArthur, and it's about, I would say, 4 o'clock, 4:30, and as you can see, jeepneys are running, some trikes are out, and the traffic is as heavy as it can be. I don't see much of a difference between before the lockdown and right now. Yeah, so heading up to Camachiles. Some of you probably know that area. We have some subscribers that been talking about it, and when this whole event of COVID and everything came down, we had plans on going in and do some videos on different developments, and there's a lot of expansions going on in Camachiles. There is some new developments and housing. I've seen houses and lots for sale and all kinds of stuff up there. And as far as I can see, just going in there, driving through, been up there a few times since my mechanic is there. I go there and I spend a little time. Every time I'm there, I spend a couple, 3 hours and walk around, and looks like a nice area. Here to the left, you have the blue, yellow, white building you saw there. Is St. Raphael. So let's try to drive the Filipino style driving. You go a little bit of everywhere and try to get around traffic. This is one plug, bottleneck in the traffic right here. Right there at Camachiles, and up here to the left you have SM Hypermart. You guys gotta excuse me, my voice is failing away from me, I don't know. Here we go, here comes the ambulance. In a hurry. As you can see, the traffic is building up. We are getting back to normal. I was just thinking the other day here, it was clean, no jeepneys, no smoke, no exhaust fume and all that. And today you can actually breathe it, you smell it as you're out there. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Alright, so this is also this is Camachiles. I think it's Camachiles Road or Boulevard or whatever, and that takes us up towards what is the barangay called up there? Sapang Biabas or something like that. I'm not 100% sure. Sapang Biabas, yeah, that is correct. Okay, so got that verified, that's good. There's a lot of other things up there. Skytech IT has a park, or building a park up there from what I understand, and I think those are office lease, office rental. in different buildings. Probably just office space, call center, that kind of stuff. And I think the rates are fairly decent. But we're going to be starting looking into all that once we can get out there and be around again. It's a hot day, pretty much clear blue skies, but I would say it's probably closer to 37, 38 degrees Celsius, and what is that, 9,500 degrees Fahrenheit. To the right here you have some little markets and other things. There's a lot of development here. Here to the right, fairly new gas station. But it looks to me like a flourishing community. And here's another gas station. I think they're just about to open it up. Huge parking lot. You know, that's one thing you don't see too little of, and that's gas stations. I mean, every block has one around in this area of town. By the way, gasoline has gone down significantly. It was 95 that I used, octane. It was 47, 48, 49 pesos. I paid as low as 35, 36 pesos. So that's down 25% during COVID, which is pretty amazing. Here's the barangay hall, by the way, for Camachiles. We are approaching, coming up closer to the highway up here. So I think there is an exit off the highway up here too, so you can get on and off NLEX, SETX, towards Subic, towards Manila, and up north towards Baguio. Alright, so we are coming up on the bridge here. Once we get up on the bridge, we'll see the highway. And then we are heading into Sapang Biabas barangay. I think it's a barangay. And that's where my mechanic is hanging out. Yep, right there you have the highway. So this community have easy access from the highway. You are 60 kilometers, 70 kilometers away from Manila. You are a few hours away from what do you call it up there, up north. And Subic is about an hour away, or less than that actually. Up here. Here we're coming up on Biabas, Barangay Biabas, and in here to the right is where my mechanic is hanging out. So we're gonna head in there and just check out and see if he's around. Also a small little nice barangay. It's clean, it's friendly people. Met a lot of people here, and it's a cool community. Alright guys, that was a quick little stop, and I'm actually going to head to the right here and go up in towards the center of Luzon. If you look to the right, you see Mount Arayat there. Pretty cool mountain. So we'll say bye for here, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you at the next video. Wait, don't click that button unless of course you hit the subscribe button. And then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again at the next video.